is for all you fucking Ronda slappers. I want the fucking slappers. Buy some fucking clothes. Cause all you wear is tracksuits, you scruffy fucking hoes. And stick your orange trainers in your fucking mouth. Cause it's nothing but a loudmouth bunch of sluts from the south. Also 50 a day, you've been smoking since you were 5. With your mum and dad and uncle, or when your granddad was alive. And remember these fucking stories about working down the pit? Well, fuck you around their history, cause it's all fucking shit. On your tits and rings on every finger, and every time you leave the room you leave a nasty linger. I swear you piss and hairspray, fuck ass shit and farts. Go duck yourself in sheep dip, you stinking fucking tarts. You're always doing fuck all, you're always lying down. You wear too much foundation, that's why your face is brown. Well, you might be fucking jaundiced, cause you all do fucking smack. Go play with fucking railway trains on a railway fucking track. Oh, the slappers! Oh, the slappers! Oh, the slappers! You scruffy fucking hoes! So in conclusion, bitches, you're all annoying sluts. You're all a bunch of low-life tarts and ace your fucking guts. Roar the slappers! Roar the slappers! Roar the slappers! You scruffy fucking hoe! One more time again, come on! Roar the slappers! Roar the slappers! There's nothing like twisted lovers.